All right, let's say I want to block out like some vacation time, or if I want to block out maybe a day where I'm not going to be available for work, but it's only on a specific day. It's not a recurring day. Let's go to settings and I'll show you how to set that up. So settings down here at the bottom, back to my profile. Here on the left menu, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to go to the schedule section. Here on the right, and you want to make sure that this is selected for um, the uh, schedule that you want to use this for. So if you have a work hours, that's the default. That's what most people only have. It's just that one schedule. So you make sure that that's selected. On the right here, it says date specific hours. Okay. And you can also change this according to maybe if you're taking a half day that day, that's fine as well too. You can set all of that information up in here. So you'll set this up by clicking on the add date specific hours. Okay. This populates, and let's say I want to take off, um, let's say, let's say I want to take off my birthday. Okay. Um, I want to select that date. And I want to make sure I'm in the right year because now I'm in 2007. So let's go back to 2026. We're going to select, let's say the 9th is my birthday, and we'll click on that. Now, if I wanted to take half the day on this day, then you see on our calendar here to the left, actually, let's pick a day that's actually a working um, day that's on our left. So our working hours, if you see where my cursor is, actually Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So let's say if I wanted to take off Monday, but I want to do half a day. So right now, the availability is from 8 to 5 and I want to only be available from 8 to 12. So on this particular day, even though my working hours on the left, according to what this says here, is from 8 to 5. If I have this attached to a calendar, that time frame, right now, the calendar will be open for people to book appointments with me between 8 and 5 p.m. According to the set specific hours calendar that we have here in the middle, what we want to do is change that time for this specific day on the 6th of July to 8 to 12. Okay. So on this particular day, people will only be able to book with me between the hours of 8 and 12. So I'll save that and then you'll see it populate here. Now, let's say if I wanted to take the entire day off, we're going to go back to that button again, and then we're going to click another day. So let's say I wanted to take off the following day. I did it again for that year. Okay, so let's say if I want to take off the following day. Okay, now I selected the 7th, and it says, when are you available? Okay, um, now if you want to take the whole day off, hit the trash can. Okay, and then you'll just hit save. So now it'll say unavailable. That means that if somebody tries to book with you on the 7th, they can't. It will be blocked out. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's click on add specific um, hours. We're going to click on another date. Let's say we're doing the 20th, but let's do multiple days. We want to do a whole week. Okay. We're going to do the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, the 23rd, and the 24th. We're taking off the whole week. And guess what? We're not available. We're going to hit the trash can. Okay. Now, let's say if you made a mistake. Um, let's say you made a mistake and you wanted to take Friday off of that choice, you just click on the bubble to uncheck it. But let's say we're doing that. But let's say if we wanted to take that back and add in a specific time, you can click on the plus to do that. If it's a split time, you click on the plus again. So let's say if you're available between 8 and 12, you can do that. And you want to pick things back up on during this specific week between 2 and 6. Okay. That's a choice as well too. Let's see. 2 and 6. Okay, that's also a choice too. But let's go back to just taking the whole week off. We're going to take the whole week off. I'm going to click on the trash can, the trash that is unavailable. We're going to click save. So now you'll see on our date specific hours that that entire week is off. No one will be able to book an appointment with you during that time frame. And for the split schedule, I'll show you how that actually appears on here as well too. Split split time on there. All right. Now there's our split time for that particular week. And then once you're done, you'll just click on update availability. All right, and then that'll save it for the dates that we selected.